In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy VOO or VOO on interactive brokers. Now, currently, I'm inside IBKR desktop, and to achieve this, it's very simple. You want to go to the quote tab over here on the left, or of course, you could be on any tab, really, it's up to you. And then you want to go to the search button up top left, and you want to type in VOO, okay? So when you type that in, it's going to pop up a bunch of different things. Of course, you could go ahead and switch over to stocks ETFs if you want to, or like options or anything you want. And then you want to click on, of course, whichever one you want. So for example, this first one, the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, over here, I'm going to just click on this one. Of course, it's completely up to you which one you choose. And when you do this, it's actually going to populate this chart over here. You can also see here the option chain, stuff like that. So there's a bunch of different things you can do. And then on the right hand side, to actually buy it, you want to click on buy order. And then in here, you can just create your order, set the quantity, and then the order type you want to do. You can choose limit market, stop, or of course any of these on the list over here. And then you can also set your limit prices and time in force. And if you want to attach orders like a profit taker and a stop loss, so a take profit and stop loss, you can do that down here as well. Then you can preview the order, and whenever you're ready, you can just go ahead and click on submit buy order, and that's how you can buy VOO on interactive brokers. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.